Having a good strategy and the ability to read trends is key. But choosing the wrong currency pair that remains stagnant makes all your skills meaningless. The problem is that in a sideways market, entering a trade results in spreads and endless waiting without momentum, which ultimately leads to impatience and a breakdown of discipline. The issue is not with you, but with the tool you are using to find the trend. And that is why Exness Terminal Screener exists. In today's video, I will guide you in detail on how to use this tool effectively on the terminal. This is the Exness Market Channel, where we provide the most useful information about trading activities on the Exness platform. We are a leading development partner of Exness. If you're new to Exness Market, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. You'll find the registration guide and the latest Exness updates in the video description and pinned comment. Besides this channel, you can also visit our Exness Market website to explore more about Exness. This is a real-time market filter tool that helps you identify where the money flow is strongest right now. Instead of having to open 20 charts, scroll through each pair, and guess which one has the biggest price swings, it automatically sorts, compares, and tells you which pairs are performing well and which are losing momentum. This is the mindset of a professional trader. To install Exness Terminal Screener, you can access it directly within the terminal tool. Simply go to the web terminal and click here. As you can see, the tool filters and shows you which pairs are currently performing strongly or weakly. Pairs that consistently show up like this are performing strongly. Pay attention to the red and green arrows as they indicate the current market trend and whether it is rising or falling today. You can also filter your search by clicking here and selecting the category you want, such as filtering your favorites by clicking the star icon. This is how you add or remove items like the ZAO currency pair to your favorites to filter accordingly. Additionally, it filters by the most traded items, suggesting top trades for major currencies, metals, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and energy. Currently, the most traded items are XAUUSD, BTC, and silver, followed by EURUSD. The key to filtering the right trades on the terminal is understanding that you cannot trade everything. The most important principle is to focus only on the top and bottom. The top ones have strong upward momentum indicating buying pressure, while those at the bottom have deep downward momentum indicating selling pressure. If the pairs are in the middle, the trend is unclear, easily distorted, and unreliable for scalping. Another way is to filter by groups that match your trading style. Exness Terminal allows you to filter by groups such as major currencies for stability, metals for fast-moving and powerful trades, or cryptocurrencies which are highly volatile and require good risk management. The important thing is not which group is more profitable, but which one suits your trading system. To make the most of this tool, I will share another website called Market Watch which helps you determine the situation more clearly. Its purpose is to show the specific percentage increase or decrease of a pair today. For example, you can see that Bitcoin has increased by 2.81% while Ethereum has increased by 4.26%. If you want to see more detailed data, double-click here and scroll down to see the price range of today's lowest and highest prices. Based on these numbers, you have more data to analyze before returning to the terminal to trade. There are two main scenarios for using this tool. The first scenario is trend trading. If you see a strong increase from 0.5% to 5% in the short term, you should open the M5 or M15 chart to find pullback points and buy. For instance, if BTC is up 2.69%, you return to the terminal on the M5 timeframe and wait for it to reach a specific area before placing a buy order. The second scenario is trading reversals when a pair rises too sharply, such as over 2% in Forex or over 5% in gold and coins, hitting strong resistance. In this case, we look for short-term sell opportunities to profit from the correction. Once you identify a pair like the US index which might be overbought, you return to the Exness terminal to find a point to sell and surf the wave. Always remember that the right mindset is to avoid FOMO, not chase the price. and wait for technical retracements to enter according to the main trend. True scalping means following the existing momentum and not fighting against the money flow. The second method is for experienced traders who use the data terminal to confirm the context and the chart to decide on action. If you are new, you should follow the first scenario of trend trading. A good tool will not make you win immediately, but it will help you avoid bad trades. Exness Terminal helps you save time, focus on the market, and trade more selectively. If you are struggling with sideways markets or losing discipline, you may not be fully utilizing Exness Terminal correctly. This is my complete guide on Exness Terminal Screener, and I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.